Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Audiomack app. So all you have to do, so you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here above your photo profile, you click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on notifications. When you just click on notifications, it's going to take you to this list here. Come here to Upvote Milestones here. So it's going to show for you like this. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's me Upvote Milestones notifications. It's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.